Hello guys, and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. For subscribing, to like it, comment. Happy Sunday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Honestly speaking, guys, the Uthobile Msalaka has done a lot for this family. They are here today being famous because of Uthobile Msalaka, guys. I was very shocked, guys. Being a good person sometimes is not a good thing, guys, but at least she did get benefit for everything that she was doing for the Msalakose family, guys. So for those who have watched Uthando Nesthembu on Thursday last scene, guys, we saw Msalaka going to fetch his award, and he came with Maqele, obviously his first wife. After that, Mayeni Mangwabe, she was the last one to arrive to the event, guys. So when they call his name, the person he called to say, can you please accompany me to go and fetch my award? It was Uthobile Msalaka, and people were really, especially if they were not happy. They were asking themselves, Haibo, he came with Maqele, but right now he's calling Uthobile to go and fetch the award with him. What is going on? Guys, it is alleged Uthobile is the one who came out with the idea, Uthando Nesthembu, guys, for them to have a reality show, guys. Even the name of the company, Thanks Ma Production, guys, and people are saying a good Umasamseleke used to praise Uthobile was season 3, season 4 to say Uthobile, she's very smart, guys. They are here because of her, guys. Another thing that we saw on Uthando Nesthembu, guys, Umasamseleke was saying Abongwe needs to take over, guys, and Abongwe could tell she was not free, guys. She was like, no, I need to start my own things. It's because she was afraid of Uthobile, guys. She knew very well with everything it was started for Uthobile, guys. So Qale and Uthobile, they are here because of Uthobile, guys. I'm not saying that they didn't do anything. Also, they contributed. Obviously, they are here. We see them on the direct section talking. She couldn't do it alone, but she's the one who saw the opportunity. We can make more money, we can be famous. Maybe she used to watch the Kim Kardashian, because we used to call Uthobile the Kim Kardashian with family Seleko, guys. I mean, she could tell because she wanted to be influencer celebrity somehow. Another thing, I saw someone say, Uthobile knows that if he leaves the Musamseka, there are a lot of men that can marry her, guys. Some are saying it's because she enjoys being the Mbokoto Yalapana Kwamseleka, so she will not leave, guys. The people are saying, Uthobile deserve better. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Say it, subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.